Joy.
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 Woo!
Hey everyone, I'm Melissa and this is Veronica.
This week, we're going to talk about the responsorial psalm. It's from chapter 126, and it's all about joy.
The response is, the Lord has done great things for us. We are filled with joy. The psalmist talks about how happy the people are, how as if they feel that they're dreaming.
They're talking and rejoicing and laughing in the Lord.
I think it's a really good one to meditate on when you need a little bit extra hope in your life. It shows that God stays true to his promises and is always looking out for us, even when it doesn't feel like he always is there.
You know, I don't know about you, but I always tend to see the bad, and I have trouble seeking those little good moments. But you've got to take those blinders off sometimes and see the goodness that God brings in your life.
Yeah, like for instance, when you're having a bad day, maybe you spilled your coffee on your shirt, you hit all the red lights to work, or maybe you're in school and that teacher springs that assignment on you that's due today and you completely forgot about it.
I think we just have like a checklist that we can just go off and marking all of those things that have happened. Mm-hmm. But the things you don't think about are how that cup of coffee tasted right before you spilt it. You were like, oh, what a good cup of no! And there's so much good in that little sip. Or the fact that, you know, you hit the red light, but at least you have a job. You're bringing home money for your family and for yourself. And with school, you're able to get an education, even if you don't like the teacher or you just happen to miss an assignment.
Yeah, so we're going to make that your challenge this week is to give God thanks and praise for all the little things that go right in your life, whether it's getting to share a meal with a good friend of yours or just getting to your destination safely in the midst of all the chaotic traffic.
And that's all the time we've got for you today. And we'll see you next week. Toodles.
Bye.